rainy, rainy.
When the weather is rainy, small drops of water start falling from the clouds.
Drizzling, drizzling.
If it is drizzling, light rain and mist come out of the sky.
Hail, hail.
If it hails, small balls of ice fall like rain.
Snow, snow.
If it snows, soft white pieces of frozen water fall from the sky.
Sunny, sunny.
Sunny weather days are days when there are very little or no clouds in the sky and the sun is shining.
Cloudy, cloudy.
When the weather is cloudy, the sky is dark because there are a lot of clouds. Before we continue, if you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and help my channel to grow. Thank you. Thunderstorm, thunderstorm. A storm with thunder and lightning and usually heavy rain.
Foggy, foggy.
When the weather is foggy, there are thick clouds close to the land or sea, making it difficult to see. Windy, windy. When it's windy, the air moves strongly or quickly in a current.
Clear, clear.
When the weather is clear, it is clean and fresh, without clouds or mist.
Overcast, overcast.
When it's overcast, the sky is completely covered by gray clouds. Blizzard, blizzard. A blizzard is a severe snowstorm with strong winds.
Gale, gale.
A gale is a very strong wind. breeze, breeze. A breeze is a light and pleasant wind. Hurricane, hurricane. A hurricane is a storm that has very strong fast winds. Downpour, downpour. A downpour is a short period of very heavy rain that starts suddenly. Flood, flood. Floods happen when there is too much rain and water covers the land. Snowflake, snowflake. A small soft flat piece of frozen water that falls as snow. Scorching, scorching. When it's scorching, it's extremely hot.
Warm,
warm. If it's warm, it's slightly hot, especially in a pleasant way.
moderate, moderate.
When it's moderate, it's neither very hot nor very cold.
Freezing, freezing.
When it's freezing, it's very cold.
Chilly, chilly.
When it's chilly, it's less cold than cold.
Cool, cool.
Low in temperature but not cold, often in a way that feels pleasant. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next videos.